Hey guys, this is Kurt's Culinary, and today we are going to make egg roll in a bowl. Alright, this is pretty simple, very delicious, and it's just a little different twist, okay? I have a wok, so I'm going to do it in a wok. You're going to take your vegetable oil and put some of that in there, just drizzle a little bit in there. Alright, I use ground turkey, just for a healthier option. Okay. All right. Now, after you touch that, you want to wash your hands. Okay. It's raw turkey. Anytime you touch any kind of raw product, you should always wash your hands before touching any more of your ingredients, so you don't cross-contaminate your hands or your food with any of the juices that would be on your hands. So you're just going to take a spoon, okay, and break that down as it cooks. And we are going to add, this is 1 medium onion diced, okay. Then we are going to need a teaspoon of ginger. So let's get a teaspoon. No, excuse me. This is 1 teaspoon. Oh, if I can get it. Alright, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Then we're going to use half a tablespoon of garlic. Okay, so half a tablespoon. And then you are going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here's our soy sauce. You can always put more in or less if you like. So 1 and 2. Okay. Now you are going to brown off this turkey, and caramelize these onions. Oh, it smells good. This is a very simple dish to make. It's not very time consuming at all, and it's not really a lot of ingredients either. We have all you need is a spoon, a wok, and your ingredients. You have I have a smaller spoon here just so I don't have to worry about cleanup. But the easy egg roll in a bowl is a pound of ground turkey, 1 onion diced, half a tablespoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 bag of coleslaw mix, which is there, and we will put that in later, and then 3 cups of hot cooked rice. On the rice, I have already pre-cooked my rice, and the rice is 1 cup of uncooked rice is the equivalent of 3 cups of hot cooked rice. And then you will have wonton strips. Those are optional, and vegetable oil, of course, just to season and cook with. So we're gonna get in here and break this down a little more. Okay. It's a lot of ingredients. This is why I do it in a wok. It's so that everything can fit in there. The woks are perfect for it, and they do a great job of holding so much, so much ingredients. I couldn't get all of this into a little 8-inch skillet or a 10-inch, so the woks are really the way that you want to do it. Okay. You can do this with ground beef, but you would have to drain the grease. I do it with the ground turkey, and that is because it is a healthier option and I do not have to drain any grease. So we're going to let this cook for just a little longer. Okay, set our spoon down. Let's check on our rice. All right, our rice is looking, yeah, there we go. Nice creamy rice, looking good. All right, we're just gonna leave that sit off to the side for now. Okay, now our onions are caramelized and our ground beef is cooked off. So everything here is ready to go. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add the coleslaw mix. All right. Okay, after you add the coleslaw mix, the first thing you want to do is add, just a little more vegetable oil. Just drizzle a little bit over the top, and that's just to help the coleslaw cook. That's all, or the cabbage and the carrots, because that's what this coleslaw mix is. It's just cabbage. It's just cabbage and carrots. So you're gonna stir this around. Yeah. And what you want to do is you want to cook this cabbage just until it's a little wilted. You don't want to overcook it because you want that nice crunch. And you know, that's so you're not really gonna caramelize it or anything like that. You're gonna sweat it is what you're gonna do. So, okay. This is a really, really easy, simple, quick dish that is absolutely delicious. And it has great flavor. It's quick to make. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients. So, very, very delicious dish. All right. Now, our cabbage is looking pretty good. You really don't need to cook it a lot because you want that nice crunch to it. All right. So now, our last thing is the rice. Okay, we have 3 cups of uncooked rice. So we're just gonna add all of this right into it. All right. And you're just gonna stir this all around. Mix it up real good with your spoon. And so this doesn't take very long. It's a very simple meal. Really delicious. If you like egg rolls, this is basically what you would love, except for you don't have to take the time to make the actual egg roll. So, all right. So that is pretty much done. So we're going to turn our heat down to warm, and what we are going to do is we're going to plate it up. We have a nice little bowl. We're going to take some of the dish and put it into the bowl. Just a couple nice little spoonfuls. All right. And if you would like the wontons, You can use these. They are optional. So if you don't want to use them, don't use them. If you do, then go ahead. But they help actually give a really nice crunch to the whole dish. And for your sauces, you can use teriyaki sauce. This is very good on it. Sweet chili sauce is very good as well. This orange sauce is very, very good on it. And or you could just go plain Jane and put some soy sauce on it. That's about it, guys. This is Kurt's Culinary. That was egg roll in a bowl. And just for reference, the egg roll in a bowl is 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 onion diced, half a tablespoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 bag of coleslaw mix, 3 cups of hot cooked rice, wonton strips are optional, and vegetable oil. Alright, well, this is Kurt's Culinary. That's egg roll in a bowl, and thank you guys for watching. See ya.